Hi guys, today we're going to talk about gold and silver ETF and exactly this is the right time to invest in US market or not. For the gold ETF, like GLD is it is a code and if you see the gold in a one day like it has been like 0.42 is down and for like 5 days is 2.45% is down from gold from $242 to currently $236 and in a month like it is just 4.27 and this correction is good exactly those because you need to hedge because if the US market is going to be down at 5 to 10% correction the gold is going to be up so it's a right time if you have a money if you're waiting then you can do your own research and you can see that you it's the right time for your investment or not. Like for 6 months if you see it's $236 dollars and 230 dollar currently the value, but it is given a 7.53% return and YTD 24%. Not bad. If the gold is giving 24% means every month is giving 2% return in around 11 months. So it's too good. The return is too good. And in a year they're given 28 around if it had not fall from here, the total return if you see is from 40%. Like 40% is a really incredible return gold has given. From here it has fall to around 78%. So, thing is like that, currently it shows that this is the right time to invest in a gold. If I show you the silver, so silver has down 0.86 and in a 5 days in a week is 1.32, 27.57 dollar is the current rate, and in a month it's 4.64 is down percent and 6 month gold has given silver has not given any kind of more of a return it's just 1.88% return and YTD 27% return is good in a year like more than 2% return and in 1 year if you see 26% return if I take from here and I take the top is 45% return it's incredible return like you're just making 3% return 3.5% return in a month well, if I see the technical chart, it is the right time for investment and all. Just look for a gold 1 year. If you see here gold, what could be the scenario, what we need to do currently. If you see here, if you see the RSI of the gold, the RSI is around going to be reach around the bottom. If I see the 5 years also, it's still see if 5 years, if you see there is a more chances that the gold price may there is a downfall in the gold price in 5 years chart. But in a month chart, if you see in a year chart, if you see the RSI is going to turn around. Like if you're going to make a V-shaped recovery from here, there's a more chances that it will come here and it will go up like this. I'll just show you here, like how it's going to work. Suppose the chart is going to go here to 200, and then it will go from here to here. So if currently if we're going to intersect this line 236, if we go above the 236, and here if you see the green line with average RSI, if we intersect the green line and go above the RSI, so it will go down and then it will go up. So there are the more chances that in at least the first target I can say is the 5% return you can expect from a gold. So if you are interested, if you want to do SIP and thing, I think probably it's going to be a right time for the investor. If I compare it with the S&P 500 currently, if you see the gold is going down and even the S&P 500 is going down. If you see here from here, 4th November, from 5th the date of election, S&P has reached from 10 to 15%. 5% there was a return in S&P in just within a, and the gold had decreased because both are hedging each other. So now the thing is that if S&P is going down here, okay, then the gold is going to make this weak V-shaped recovery and going to go up. So there is a majority of the chance I can see from here that there is a chance that gold is going to give a good return in the current days. So the first, I think, if there is a positive trend in the gold, the gold will give a return from here like 6% the first target, and then if it intersect, if it cross 252, if the gold is going to cross the 252, it will going to reach around the top 257 and give a return around 9%. So I think in next video I'm going to share with you when it's going to make a V shape here, so that because currently it is all time low because if you see it is going down, okay, the trend line is down, but here you can see there is a curve here. Technically speaking, there is more chances now there going to be a recovery in the gold, and is it going to be a right time for you to make 5%, 10%? But do your own research before you make any kind of investment. If I see SLV, if I see the silver, this is a code of SLV. The same pattern, if you see from all-time high here, $31, then it has decreased. It is given a negative of around 12.90, around 13%. So what look now? Still, I find that might be gold will going to give a good return. It's going to be a V-shaped recovery, but this technical chart doesn't show that there is kind of any recovery I can see in silver. Silver still look like weak, and it's going to be tough for silver to to give return, because I think it's better to wait and watch for the silver when there will be a curve. They when because it the green line going down. Even this, if you see the RSI, it was earlier 47. It's currently, if you see, 37. But whenever there is a fall, if you see the base, the RSI goes to 30. Okay, you see that the RSI is 32. So it's still not reached 32. So there is still no more chances that there is a chances that it will fall from here more, like around 3% more I can see in the silver. So if you compare with the S&P 500 gold and silver, if you see here, the S&P is going down parallelly to the silver is also going down, but once S&P will cross here, the silver will make a U-turn from here. So again, the next week, next coming week, there will be a more chances what going to happen in silver and gold. But make sure that it is going to give a good return. If silver, the minimum return I'm expecting is 10%. For gold, I'm expecting a return of around 5 to 8%. Well, I hope I had helped you or make you understand, like the time is coming for your investment in gold and silver. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it's going to be helpful. Thank you so much.